Good morning, girls. Now we will study about phytohormones, that is, plant hormones. The plant growth may be regulated by several factors such as light, temperature, and growth regulating substances. Phytohormone is an organic substance produced naturally in plants, controlling growth and other function at a site remote from its place of production and active in minute, or we can say active in minute amount. As a result of experiment, it has been observed that plant tissues have some chemical substances which have a influence on the growth and the development of plants. It also observed that even the small amount of these substances are effective. These substances are quite different from food material and enzymes. Plant physiologists call these substances as hormones, growth hormones and phytohormones. The hormone that is called excitant activators can be defined as organic compound produced in one tissue of plants as a result of metabolism and migrating to other tissue where in minute quantity, and it affects the growth. The best known plant hormone are the auxins. The term hormone was first used by Starling in 1906 to refer to substances secreted in living beings and capable of evoking response in other regions. Although auxins, phytohormones, growth regulators are commonly used for growth hormones. These are the common words which are used for growth hormones, and these are called also growth regulators. These control the plant growth. Flowering regulators, these control the flowering. Phytohormones, that is plant hormones, these in low concentration regulate the physiological process, physiology of the plant. These regulate the physiology of plant. And growth hormones, these regulate the plant growth. What is the hormone concept? Most of the knowledge about plant hormones, it has been derived that from experimental work on the seedling of grasses, especially Avena sativa, oats. During germination of oat, a hollow cylindrical structure with a conical tip develops and encloses the shoot apex and first foliage leaf, which ultimately breaks through it. This structure is called coleoptile. Experiment shows that when the Avena coleoptile tips are exposed to light coming from one side, coleoptile bends towards the direction of light. This is called by Darwin in 1880. If the coleoptile tip is decapitated and separated by a cut made several millimeters below the apex of growth rate, is retarded immediately. It is derived by Babson and Jensen in 1913. If the tip is again replaced, resumption of growth takes place. F.E. Wendt in 1928 collected this hormone in agar blocks and termed as auxins. Now, what is auxins? Auxins are the organic compound characterized by its capacity in low concentration to induce elongation in shoot cells and inhibition of elongation of root cells. The auxins occur in very small quantities and are of wide distribution. They may be isolated from the plant material and has been grouped as auxins A and auxin B, and it is called heteroauxins or indole 3-acetic acid IAA. Auxins are found present in the class of the plants and in the form of free auxins, precursors and fixed auxins. The auxins are naturally present in plant cells and are synthesized in the metabolic process. Usually auxins synthesized in one tissue and translocated in other organs. The auxins are most abundant in the apical portion and less abundant in lower portion. Phenylacetic alpha-naphthalene acetic acid, indole acetic acid, indole butyric acid, 2,4-dichlorophenoxyacetic acid 2,4-D जिसको बोलते हैं and trichlorophenoxyacetic acid are the some synthetic substances which when supplied externally have been reported to possess the properties of auxins. Now, role of auxins in plants. Auxins promote growth in stem by promoting stem elongation. Auxins inhibit the growth of root. Auxins causes the divisions of cells in adventitious roots, fruits and cambium. Alpha-naphthalene acetic acid prevented their normal elongation and results in the formation of draft shoot. Alpha-naphthalene acetamide prevents longing and causes them to grow stiff, woody and erect stem. The application of indole butyric acid is used to facilitate the development of roots in cutting of plants during vegetative reproduction. Alpha-naphthalene acetic acid and malic hydrazine inhibit the sprouting of potatoes and are used in USA, Holland and Germany in the treatment of stored potatoes. These are much valuable food from the waste. Alpha chlorophenoxypropionic acid causes inhibition of flowering in vegetative crop or vegetable crops. Auxins may prove a great weapon war because when highly concentrated solution of these auxins is sprayed on enemy land by air or some other means, they produce a good devastation of crop plants and form the basis of biological welfare. The auxins also play an important role in the movement of plants. Application of auxins prevents the abscission of leaf fall. Application of auxins also help in the production of seedless fruits, that is called parthenocarpy. The spray of auxins increase number of female flowers in cucurbits. Auxins influence on growth process. How auxin influence the growth process? Auxin is responsible for initiating as well as promoting cell divisions. Callus development is certainly related to auxin action. Proliferation of parenchymatous cells is also associated into auxins. In tissue culture, the cell division is entirely dependent on the presence of auxins. Seasonal activity of the cambium in plants has been observed to be closely parallel by a similar variation in auxin synthesis. By developing shortening of internodes. IAA has been observed as root initiating growth and regulator. The polar transport of auxin is very clearly pronounced in cuttings. In many plants, only the apical bud grow and lower axillary buds are suppressed. Removal of apical bud, however, results prominently in the growth of one or several at the lower buds. The auxins of the terminal bud is thus responsible for inhibiting the development of lateral buds by the phenomenon known as apical dominance. The formation of abscission layer in the premature fall of leaves, flowers and fruits believed to be due to the dissolution of the middle lamella. Auxins generally inhibiting flowering but promote flowering in pineapple. And the use of 2,4-D is eradication of weeds is very well known. Then we can say auxins are the main hormone which induce the elongation of shoot cells and inhibition the elongation of root cells. Thank you.